Tesla Giga Shanghai produced 1 millionth Model Y. Tesla Giga Shanghai factory, which happens to be the world's largest battery electric car manufacturing site, recently achieved another major milestone. According to the Chinese media via CNEV Post, the plant has recently produced its 1 millionth Tesla Model Y. Below, we attached a tweet with a photo of the Jubilee car July 12, 2023, surrounded by the team, celebrating this big achievement. Let's recall that the production and deliveries of the made-in-China Tesla Model Y started in January 2021. Tesla produces in Shanghai also the Model 3 since late 2019, and a quick look at the cumulative wholesale shipments of all Model 3, Model Y 1.8 million. And the Model Y cumulative production gives us an indication that the Model 3 is now at around 800,000 units. The Model Y has been Tesla's best-selling electric model for quite some time now and in China. It already has a noticeable advantage over the Model 3, despite production starting a year later. Data, tracked by the China Passenger Car Association (CPCA), indicates that the Tesla Giga Shanghai produced about 2 times as many Model Ys as Model 3s in the first half of 2023, respectively, almost 160,000 and over 316,000. Let's also note that, cumulatively, Tesla produced more than 4.5 million electric cars, 1.8 million in China and 2.7 million in other factories. Mostly in Fremont, California, with some share of Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. Another thing that we can see in the stats is that the cumulative volume of the Model 3, Model Y is approaching 4 million. As of the end of June, so the Chinese production is responsible for almost half of the pair's total volume. The Tesla Giga Shanghai is still increasing its production, although the growth rate is slowing down. In June, the wholesale shipments amounted to some 93,680, up 19% year-over-year, including 74,212 retail sales in China, down 5% year-over-year, and 19,468 units exported, up 1,911% year-over-year. So far this year, the wholesale shipments of Model 3, Model Y amounted to some 476,539, up 62% year-over-year, including 294,105 retail sales in China, up 49% year-over-year, and 182,434 units exported, up 88% year-over-year. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.